I migrated from Guyana in '94 to join my mom, who was being a single parent, and brought us all here, 5 of us. But we all have the desire to own our own business. So my brother's been in construction, and decided I wanted to cook. Started a small thing in Maryland where I lived before,
So you
out
lived
of
in
my
Maryland
kitchen. Yes, I started out of my kitchen, and everybody complimented my cooking. So I then had the desire to own. Did not want to be in Maryland no more, so I moved to Georgia.
So you migrated.
Because I think in Georgia there is more business. What word do I use?
The environment,
The
state,
environment
the
is bigger, and the diversity also in Georgia. So I thought it would be bigger and better.
I see.
So this is my first one. I'm working on the second and the third.
Restaurants.
Yes. The second is going to be a fine dining, sit down, better. And then the third one is going to be another one like this. But so that's what I'm working on.
Guyana Tapestry family, greetings, how you doing? Hey, I'm passing through to tell you what I've been doing, alright? And recently, we passed through another part of the diaspora the other day and ran into another Guyanese family. Guess where? In Georgia. And this lady, Miss Des, she's from Belladrum on West Coast, Berbician, cooking and catching Shahan big time here in the South. Well, one of the most inspiring things about Miss Des' story is her desire, her drive for entrepreneurship, for business ownership. As you heard, she wanted her own. But interestingly, as it turns out, that drive for entrepreneurship is not necessarily uncommon among immigrants at all. In fact, according to the American Immigration Council, immigrant entrepreneurs have long been an important part of America's economic success story. Some of the largest and most recognizable American companies were presumably founded by immigrants and or their children. And some of the examples given were companies like Apple and Costco. But those are not necessarily verified by Guyana Tapestry. Nonetheless, immigrants have long been known as economic catalyzers, known for igniting innovation and growth across almost every economic sector. In 2023, the Council published a report that found that about 44.8% of Fortune 500 companies here in the United States were founded by immigrants and or their children. And Guyanese immigrants in the United States and elsewhere are not different. Across almost all over the diaspora, Guyanese are leveraging various aspects of Guyana's signature cuisine, for instance, from cassava ball, egg ball, plantain chip, and snow cone, to clothing, music, and dance. And in today's 21st century creator economy, the satire and other nuances of everyday life from Guyana are leveraged for content on timelines across every conceivable social media platform. Whether it be gold or fresh produce from the Essequibo Coast and other services in between large, medium, and small-scale operations, Guyanese American entrepreneurs are very much a part of the cornerstone of American business. And Ms. Des, a Guyanese American, and her Jamaican American husband are just some of the most recent discoveries of immigrant entrepreneurship, successfully leveraging their passion for Caribbean food combined with their desire for business to establish a successful and thriving Caribbean restaurant in the heart of the south of the United States, a city of about 30 to 35,000 people called McDonough here in Henry County in Georgia. And of course, after driving all the way behind God back to find the restaurant, Addictive Blended Flavas Caribbean restaurant, thank God Miss Des let me lash some of your food. Shall taste Shahan. But more importantly, Ms. Des took a moment to share a bit of her immigration and entrepreneurial journey with Guyana Tapestry. It was quite inspiring. Take a listen.
So it's such a pleasure, Ms. Des.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you for being a part of the diaspora.
Absolutely.
And then to be led or introduced to someone that would lead you to Addictive.
Addictive. Yes.
So Addictive came about because I had a passion.
And that's the name of the restaurant.
Yes.
Addictive, please.
And Addictive Blended Flavas.
Blended Flavas.
And it's blended flavors because I am now joined with a husband that's Jamaican.
Jamaican.
So we're blending the flavors together here.
Right, Caribbean flavors.
In Addictive, hence the name Blended Flavas.
Right, and we have
so
the
we
opportunity
have
to
both
sample.
Guyanese and Jamaican food. Chow mein, cook up rice, dal puri, roti, and then you go to the Jamaican and you get the ackee and the saltfish and the bami and fish and all
Oxtail.
these things and the oxtail and stuff.
Curry goat.
On the curry goat. So that's strictly the Jamaican Guyanese thing that's happening here.
This
And
is
natural juices.
Thank you.
And
how
it's
long,
fun.
How long have you been here?
I've been here for 5 years,
Years.
and
Awesome.
I have no regrets.
I see.
I've been doing an awesome job. When I started this
We
business,
can attest to that.
when I started this, many people said, "Oh, you're in for competition," but I wasn't worried.
I see.
And I stepped out in faith, and 5 years in, I'm proud of myself,
Congratulations.
and I'm proud of the people that are supporting this business for me to make it to 5 years.
Wonderful,
I must
wonderful.
also say, hey, what's up to them?
Right, right. So you have a
Because
good
without
support community
them,
here.
there'll be no Addictive.
I
I
see.
made it through COVID.
I see.
When many businesses closed,
Yes.
I made it through COVID.
And what do you attribute that to?
And attribute that to my faithful customers.
Support base.
Base from this McDonough area.
I see.
I mean, there are some customers that when they don't see me,
Yes.
and they do see me like, hey, you still, cause you know they know the relationship that we've had
I
over
see.
the years.
And so what was the passion? You explained that you always wanted to be an entrepreneur.
Always
and you
wanted
wanted to cook.
Always
What
wanted
was
to
it?
cook.
What was that? that
So
desire?
I always cooked at home, and everybody come and they would enjoy. My extended family, my aunts and my uncles, which is my mother's
Yes.
side, they always throw big parties,
Mhm.
and their parties never end in one day. They always transfer to the next day.
Berbician.
And when people would come to the party outside of Guyana, Trinidadians, Jamaicans, Americans, oh, you guys need to
That's
open
here in
a
the US.
restaurant. Yes.
Mhm.
So when people tell you that you,
When the tasty food.
yeah, oh yeah, see like,
Tasty
and then I
food.
have an uncle who has a restaurant in New York, and he would be like, oh, you need to open a restaurant, or you need to open a church, because you always preaching and you always cooking. So I was like, okay, I'm going to open the restaurant. So that was my drive.
Mhm.
And one of the things he warned me, when you open a restaurant, don't give people salt food.
Cook good. That's good advice.
Because you can put salt in, but you can't take no salt out.
That's
So-
good advice. Thank you, Ms.
So I
Ness.
always made it, you know, if people can enjoy and not give them salt.
Wonderful, and I'm telling you, I mean, I have been taking from the time I walked in, right? You can attest to it. I went back there, taking pictures, ensuring that I'm saying I'm actually tasting the food now, and this is great. So thank you for following your passion, and for bringing some of Guyana's flavor and introducing it in the South here in McDonough, Georgia. Thank you for what you represent in the community, business and an employer,
Yes.
right? I see the team and they're all jovial and
Yeah.
seems happy to be here.
Yes.
So that's amazing.
I'm happy to be a blessing to the community and for the
Wonderful.
community that's being a blessing to me.
you.
Yes, I tell people all the time, I'm not here to get rich.
Right.
I'm not here to get wealthy.
Right.
I'm here for more than that.
Right. To fill
One young lady
need.
sat in here yesterday and she said to me, I just love to come to this place. I just feel so calm and relaxed.
Right. The
So
vibe,
this is
the
why
vibe
this
that
is
you
why
bring.
I'm here
see.
to allow people to have a getaway,
Yes.
but still be comfortable and don't feel.
A taste of the West Indies.
Right.
There you go. You're succeeding at that. The colors, it's vibrant, it's lovely, and we really appreciate the
Thank you
opportunity.
for stopping
Thank
by.
you so much. Yes.
Thank you for doing this. And
Absolutely,
Thank you for
absolutely.
Samantha doing what she does.
Yes, absolutely. It's our pleasure, right? Guyana Tapestry. That's
Thank
precisely
you.
it. Why we're here, and we're gonna continue to tell these stories. We're gonna share up, edit up, Ms. Des, and we're gonna tell you more. Come on,
All right.
come on, it's so beautiful.
Bless
Wonderful.
you. Yes.
All right, Guyana Tapestry, one love. Boom. So Guyana Tapestry is at Addictive.
Yes.
This is a Guyanese-Jamaican
Yes.
Caribbean flavor restaurant here.
Yes.
Guyanese owned and Jamaican owned in McDonough, Georgia, and we have a behind the scenes tour of the menu. And please tell me your name.
Oh, I'm Shadi.
Hey Shadi,
Yes.
you're from Guyana?
Yes.
Which part of
West
Guyana?
Coast Berbician.
So you're from the
Eldorado.
West Coast? Awesome,
Yes.
awesome. So, and the restaurant is owned by Ms. Des,
Yes.
who's from Belladrum,
Yes.
also from West Coast.
Yes.
But Shadi, you're going to tell us a little bit about the menu here, right?
Okay.
Wonderful. So please go ahead and describe for the folks what we got.
So we have sweet plantains. That's chow mein.
Man, there's ripe plantain. You give me the American version.
Yes, okay.
Right, fried
Yes.
ripe plantain.
Yes.
Good, all right. And then
So
what
we
got
got chicken chow mein,
chicken chow mein,
curry goat,
curry goat, lovely.
curry
Some
chicken,
curry chicken here.
oxtail,
Some
and
oxtails.
we have brown stew
That's
chicken,
brown stew chicken. All right, good.
Yes.
Lovely.
and this is curry pumpkin,
Curry pumpkin.
black eyed peas,
Black eyed peas. Shadi, you've been in
eggplant.
America too long. You
Yes.
give me America. And
so
then,
that's eggplant,
or
we say
belange.
belange.
There you go.
Yes,
So
and-
there's like fried belange.
Yes.
Good.
And
then
that's curry chickpeas, but we say
curry
chana.
chana. There you
Yes. And that's candied yams.
go. Candied yams. This is the American
Yes,
for
we
it. All
have
right, lovely.
sponge cake,
Some sponge cake.
pine tart cheese roll, homemade,
Ah,
yes.
homemade. Wonderful. Don't worry, I can sample it just now.
Okay,
tell
and
everybody.
there's macaroni and cheese.
Mac and cheese. All
That's
right.
butternut squash.
The best. All right, don't worry, I can
Yes.
sample just now and tell Guyana tapestry. Don't
Some
worry.
okra
I see
and-
some fried okra,
Yes.
and then what's this called? Lower spinach.
Spinach.
Wonderful.
Spinach.
Hold on, don't forget the black cake we're going.
Yes.
I see the black cake here.
Okay.
And guess what? It's Addictive Blends flavor. Wonderful. I love it.
Yes.
I
We
love it. I
also
love
have
it.
cassava corn, coconut bun, and we do bacon saltfish.
Bacon saltfish.
Yep.
Oh, all right, my belly gonna full just now. This is good. I really appreciate this, Shadi. This is
Yes,
lovely. I
you're
appreciate
welcome.
it. And then
Thank
this is
you.
some of the
Those are some
Jamaican beef
Jamaican
patties. Wonderful.
We
This
do
is so dope.
vegetables, spinach, curry chicken, jerk chicken. We do fish and the mild and spicy beef.
Wonderful. This is
Yes.
great. This is great. This is good. Thank you,
And we
Shadi.
also have cocoa bread to go with the
The
Jamaican
beef patty.
patties. Yep.
Wonderful. This is the full Caribbean experience.
Yep.
All right.